Good afternoon, everyone, or good morning, should I say. Welcome, guys. How's it going? Tamimi, hey there. And Dren, welcome. Good afternoon, good morning. Well, let's dive into it. I think, Dren, you made the good decision to close the the gold trade from London. But eventually, it is moving to the high of the order block. It seems like it. So, gold is moving higher. Bro, what's up? So seems like gold really wants to take out this bearish order block for now, but I can expect a little bit of a pullback maybe on the 15-minute down there. Let me just pull the FIB tool here. So we can expect a pullback down to 23.82. Anyway, I think it wants to break the order block. We have Powell at 10 a.m. I think that's going to mess up the market anyways. So, yeah. And unfortunately, just an update, I still have no information why my Apex code is not working. So, unfortunately, my Apex code is reached the limit. And it's just not working right now. Hopefully, they will put it back. Oh, yeah. And let me check on Buley. Have they updated the codes? No update yet. I guess most likely after, during market hours. All right, what's happening? What's happening? So we see this pullback. It's the golden level at 23.82. Yeah. What about the news, or do we have anything? Oh ho! Kali, hey, thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Good to see you. Welcome. So, I'm looking to break the order block. Actually, I'm gonna put this here. And before we do that, you're welcome. And the man of the hour, everybody, the man of the hour. Celebrity, methodical man. It doesn't work anymore, yeah. Yeah, I realized in the London session, somebody told me. I already open the support ticket. I don't know how much time it will take. How much time was it for you, methodical man, until they updated the code? It could take up like quite a few days, especially nowadays. 5 days, there you go. So 5 days, guys. Unfortunately, I'm left without Apex codes for now. I changed it back to the old one, but that doesn't work either, so you can use Myth. Sadly, you can use Methodical Man's code. It's MYTH. It's Myth. Sadly, yeah. It is what it is. What can we do, right? So, you're welcome. Really, guys, if anyone wants to grab some discounted Apex accounts, at least don't give it to. I mean, give it to a streamer or somebody. I usually, 99.999% of the time I use Methodical Man's code. So go with Myth. You can use it. Exactly. Exactly. Alrighty. I think gold wants to go higher, maybe, hopefully. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe it will. No. London was a little bit weird. I saw you were streaming. You were streaming Asia session? I mean, I just saw the VOD. But yeah, I saw you. Just for a bit. Yeah. What code is it? It's Methodicals, man. It's Myth. So If you want some Apex discount, use Myth. Is that it? I hope it is. Let me put this here. Yeah. Unfortunately, it could be quite a few days until I get my code refurbished, if I may say so. So sorry about that, but it is what it is. It is what it is. How big? It's 80% right now. 80%, and you can use it to purchase big accounts for $40. So 150k, 250k, you know. Yeah, maybe, who knows. Well, it's all right. I mean, I accept that, but if it takes like 2 weeks or 6 months, as it was last time for the custom code, for 6 months, I'm gonna be a little bit pissed off for 6 months. But hopefully by next week sometime I will get my code refurbished. So and look at that, gold is making new highs. It's not going down to the 50% level. It's going to break the order block. Very close now. Yeah, comics opened up. Comics, not the comics, comics. Commodity exchange. And there you go. Order block taken out. Boom. That's how fast it was. That's how fast this was. I was offside here in London. So in London, I tried to go short here. I actually closed it in a loss manually somewhere around here. I don't even know. I wanted to play the inversion theory. That's Methodical Man's favorite. The inversion gap. Is this an inversion gap, by the way? Methodical Man, I want your approval on this one. So it went up there, broke lower, and I just went for it. Is that a valid thing? Hey Marcos, how you doing? So yes, so this is a valid inversion gap. And when this candle opened up, I entered the trade. So far, I mean, it was good for a little bit, and then it went against me, and as you see, we talked about this order block, but I thought that we're gonna go down first, reprice some levels, and then go higher, but if the draw is higher, it won't work, but usually it gets you to break even at least. Oh, I see. Okay, all right. Methodical Man is very good with the inversion gaps. Basically, that's his go-to entry model, so he knows all about it. I just wanted to give it a shot on an evaluation account. Yeah, it looked okay for a bit, but then... So maybe now, after breaking the order block, and we would see maybe an inversion gap, there is a higher probability to take it for the short. But actually look at that, how close we are to all-time high again. So we're very close to all-time high on NQ. How about that, guys? Double bottom juicy on gold? Where? At the PD high? Where? Here? I don't even know. There's so many things I'm watching. On gold? Oh yeah. Previous day high. Down here. This is juicy, yeah, actually. I do like this area too. I do like it, but I think gold is just unstoppable. It's just absolute bullish. So here's the money on gold, but still, I think it will go higher. If you look to the left, it just keeps going. As for NQ, well, I think NQ can still make history. again today, especially with Powell. I didn't put any trade on the funded accounts. So if I don't see the price action that I'm really hoping for, this one could go down ugly. I mean, I'm not gonna place a trade in that case. I'm not gonna place a trade. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. $50, $60, it's like 10, 12 points, 13 points away from all-time high. Very close. When should you sell? Well, that's the $1 million question. No, because if we go to the 1 hour chart, actually let me put this away. If we go to the 1 hour chart, this could still go higher. We are very close to 400, 2400. And it's so bullish, I just don't trust this, but I even if I would like to go for a sell, I'm gonna wait for a proper formation. Yeah, never sell. This year, guys, this year, whatever you do on Nasdaq or ES, gold, just don't sell, only buy. Buy the dips all year long. Whatever you do, just buy it, buy it, buy. Never sell. It's tough to short. These days, I think the shorts are suffering a lot. Yeah, some good targets, both on gold, also on NQ, but yeah. I'm not even surprised. I would not be even surprised if we would go for 21K real soon. I mean, in a couple of days or even sooner. I would not be surprised if we would visit 21K until Thursday. You're long on NQ. There you go. Yeah, we're making new history high here. I burned myself so much on these longs so many times before. I burned myself that I just... Right when I take a long before some historical high or low, it starts to turn back around, and it was just too much for me. Yeah. So let's just wait. Let's just wait. Could be a crazy session like yesterday. Powell messed up everything. Everything has turned upside down. You're buying? All right. Just have a strategy, you know, don't just go random. Yeah, on gold. Okay, I guess. I'm not saying it's there's a small fair value gap on gold, a little bit higher. Could be a good target to reach for. I wish you good luck with it. But yeah, be careful. Be careful with that. It actually looks okay on the 3 minute to reach higher for that fair value gap up there. Maybe. Looks good also on the 1 minute to continue for that liquidity. So, oh yeah, I totally forgot the BULENOX code is not working for 90%. I switched it to the 45% discount because they haven't updated the coupon codes since yesterday. So we only have the 45% discount currently on BULENOX. We only have that one. Look at that, we're at 60. Are we gonna go there? Who knows? Who knows? Spy Girl, greetings. I kind of hope they extend the 90. Yeah, That would be great. But since no one is doing it, I think Buleanox is going to go back to 83, most likely. 83%. Marcos, by the way, did I say hi, Marcos? Good to see you. How you doing? Oh, he's having a blast. You know, he says he's on a vacation, but he comes back to stream, you know. How is that a vacation? Sorry. How is that a vacation? That is not a vacation. Work never stops. Yeah, I know. Sorry. Excuse me. All right, gold is still here in this area. Should be going for that liquidity level up there, but you know, hoping for Dren to make that profit. Futures opened up, so we could see a bit of a spike, hopefully. Hopefully. Should go for 71. What's the high, by the way? Really, what is the high? 71. Yeah, it is. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. It's good for a scalp maybe, but I don't have the nerves to hold this trade here. You're welcome, Dren. Pay the trader. I kept losing trades. What? I reversed my strategy and lost even more. What the hell, man? Why did you reverse it? Come on. Yeah, well deserved. Methodical man needs to let himself go, you know, because he was streaming too much. He was sitting for too long at the computer. He needs to go visit places. You know. I was bullish throughout the London session. I was unable to log on. Okay. It's heading to 779. Looks like it. Looks like we're gonna break that all-time high. Should be going. Oh, you heard about me because of Alan. All right. That's awesome. That's awesome, Spygirl. Well, he was very generous when I only had like 200 or 300 subscribers on the channel. I don't even know. He was way ahead of me, and he sent quite a few people over to my stream. That was a great start. So we should do some joint streams again. That would be fun. Look at that, we're making history. 5 more points up there. Yeah, it should go. Gold is still here. Gold is still looking bullish. Also on the 5-minute. It can reach for that level, but obviously it's in premium, so there are some juicy levels down there. But yeah, we're focusing on NQ right now. Focusing on NQ. All right. Back to the fair value gap. Back to the fair value gap. Gold is still up there. I don't really look for anything right now. I wonder if today is going to be the same carnage while Powell is going to speak. Because that was very, very ugly. Just a quickie email. Gold going sell? Yeah, maybe, but first it might go to your profit level, hopefully, right? Hopefully. Oh man, why do I have issue? Oh, sorry. I have to answer this call real fast, sorry. I'm here. Gold triple bottom, maybe now it's sell. I'm not gonna touch gold. I look at that, just as we expected, it's going higher a little bit. Just a minute, guys. Oh, look at gold, it's going up. Gold is going up. NQ is having some trouble to reach for those highs. Ba-da-ba-ba. Ba-da-da-ba. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Well, market open is still like 45 minutes away. So we'll see what happens after this, I guess. I just found an old picture of my car that I had 10 years ago. It's right here in my hand. Maybe one episode you can show us what you look for on a trade performance. Look for on trade. Oh yeah, Yeah. What you look for on trade performance? You mean should I make a journal about the trades, or should I outline my entry model, what I'm looking for? But I can actually show you if you're curious about a funded account, like maybe you want to see like a report as performance, like for example this, I don't know, I have 2 funded accounts with that I'm trading actively. Is this something you're looking for, or I don't know? The interpretation of the aggregated data from the broker, win rate as the... Oh, that's true. Well, I can do that actually. We can do that from Rhythmic Trader, I think. That's true, because these are Rhythmic connection account, every one of them. And so the one I have here on BuleNox is, of course, it's not showing everything. Win rate as the... Yeah, that's cool. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. We can do that. I think I can do it from Rhythmic Trader. I was actually thinking to synchronize it with TradeZilla, or there's another service that does this very precisely. And it can show very detailed reports about the trades, all these ratios. That would be good. That could be also good. I think I can do that, you know. It would be even better, I think. Am I gonna buy a new Apex account? Have a look on gold. Oh, look at that. It's still up there. It's still up there. You know, I'm not in a trade on gold, and I don't really know if this one is going to reach for these levels. But, you know, for now, I'd say just wait. You know, waiting is the most and the hardest, hardest part of the whole thing here. Just wait and wait and wait a little bit more. And because we are so close to market open, I don't think it should be wise to open up a trade right before. Too impatient. One of the strongest skills and the hardest also to acquire is patience in trading. You know, I used to wait even last week. There's always a few sessions like that. Like, I'm just sitting through the whole session without taking a trade, especially in London session. I just sit through the session. If I don't see the setup coming, I just don't go for it. Now, this looks like it could go lower, but I'm not sure. ES made a new high, so this could be the classic SMT, what you guys really love. I know everybody loves the SMT model. Being impatient equals Playing rock, paper, scissors. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. And going 10 seconds ahead of everyone. Yeah. Yeah. I like that. I like the analogy. You're basically doomed. If you, yeah. So have to be very, very patient with these things. Anyway. Oh, this is Nasdaq. You can see down here in the right corner, down right corner here, MNQ, micro Nasdaq. And if I switch to gold, you see the GC. This is gold on futures. But if I switch to here, you see this is gold too. XAUUSD. This is on Forex brokers or Forex platforms mostly, like this. But since I'm on futures, it's GC. And NQM as micro Nasdaq. I can switch to mini Nasdaq too, that is NQ. And you can always see that I'm on the 5-minute time frame. If I switch to 15-minute, it will say 15-minute time frame. This right here on the down right side, this one on down right corner, this is for you guys. It's not for me, basically. This is for you guys because I know I'm switching all over between the charts and the time frames. So if you're a regular viewer, you will know that if you don't know where I am or what I'm talking about, then you'll always see which market and which time frame I'm on. So I'm switching back to micro 15-minute, going down to 5-minute here. Oops, sorry. So this was not a market structure shift. This is still bullish. Does Apex still have? Yes, it's going to stay until the middle of August, I think. But they still have it. Unfortunately, Jacqueline, welcome by the way. My code just expired. My code just expired, so I already opened the support ticket, but my code just expired maybe yesterday. Somebody just told me in the London session that the limit has been reached with my code, so hopefully they will restore it. But if not, then you can use someone else's code if you don't want to miss anything. You can use Methodical Man's code, which is myth, MYTH, if you want to go with, I mean, at least give some credit to somebody. Don't leave it at Apex. Give some credit. I will wait. Oh, thank you, Jacqueline. It's unfortunate. I was surprised because I just received my custom code TOMSABO last week, I think, and I was very happy. And all of a sudden, it expired and disabled. I don't know. But even my old code is not working. I mean, this is the old that you guys see up there. I switched it back on the banner, but it's not working. It's exceeded the limit. It is what it is. Hopefully they will fix it. So apologize for that. GD, hey, what's up? Well, everything is fine. I had a short trade this morning in the London session on gold. I went short. Unfortunately, it went higher. So I didn't touch my funded accounts today. So no trades on any of my funded accounts today. Because obviously we're going to have Powell as well today. And I don't know. Is he going to do the same carnage as yesterday? Look at that. Look at all this BS. I mean, this was Powell testifying. Maybe not here, but at least in the first 2 hours. I'm not sure. Even gold was crazy yesterday, so we'll see. And what else is here? Yeah, and yesterday gold was... This was yesterday. Gold was dropping yesterday. While Powell was speaking, it was... No, this was yesterday. Come on. This was Powell. I said, what? That was not the testimony. This was Powell. This here on gold. I'm starting to lose it today, guys. The problem is with the sleep. I don't sleep too much. I need to sleep more. Hey, Congo. Kojak. I'm gonna call you Congo. Congo. I like the name there. Good morning. How you guys doing? So we could be expecting a similar movement. First of all, I'm just curious if we're gonna make some new historical high or not. But I think today a lot of traders are going to skip maybe the AM session or just focus on the PM session, or tomorrow, who knows. Anyway. Okay, it seems like we're getting an update on the BULENOX coupon codes. Okay, we're getting an update on the BULENOX coupon codes. 83% down, but this time you can use just TOMSABO. You don't have to push the one there. Let me update the banner. Just TOMSABO. So no more number one, just TOMSABO. 83% down on BULENOX. Let me change it. They just updated it in this minute. 83% down for the rest of the month. Well, that's pretty much what I was expecting for the rest of the month. So let me update the banner here. I have to update this. Why is it not working? All right. Okay. Timer. Let me check it. I think it's already saying no. It's not. It's saying 90%, but it's 83% down actually. So I'm gonna update it to just TOMSABO. 83% down, and let me change the banner here. Where is it? Top. There. Getting better. I'm gonna have to open 83%. All right. Okay, there you go. BULENOX 83% down. I don't think it will be as bad, but there is no guarantee. Yeah, with Powell, there is never a guarantee. He can say all kind of things. Yeah, all kinds of stuff. All right. Updated the things that I needed to update. Still waiting for the market open. Nothing to do. This waiting part is really frustrating. Okay, we have a structure shift on gold. Maybe. That's a big maybe, but it's also like an inversion setup. I do like it, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. It broke structure. It has an inversion gap. So, yeah. It doesn't look bad at all. Look at that. Even if you want to go aggressive on this one, you can take that short and maybe go for, you know, a 2R. Where is that account that I used to trade? Oh, here it is. So hopefully this one can go down, but careful with gold. That's all I can say. Be very, very, very careful with gold. I took a short on gold at 23.84.7, so my entry is very, very, very bad. But even if I go with that, the 1 to 2 risk to reward should bring me down somewhere to 76-ish area. Could be. My risk to reward is not so good on this one. So I took a short. It might be a little bit early to go in. But yeah. All right. Give me a moment. I have to go out check something. I'll be right back. Sorry guys, I'm back. Pips Hunter, hey there. Can you trade news with Apex? Can you be in a trade during? Yes, on evaluation accounts. Yes, also on funded accounts, you can be in a trade on your funded account as long as you have a stop loss and as long as you're not deviating from your usual entry model and strategy. So obviously no bracket orders. So if you're holding a position before the news come out and you have a reasonable risk, stop loss, everything, then it's not against the rules. It's not against the rules. So you can hold it. Actually, that's what I know. That's what they were telling before they closed the Discord. That's what they were talking about. That you can actually hold. For 15 minutes still until market open. Well, let's see what goes on. Ba-dum-bum, 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 ba-dum-bum. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum-bum. Ba-bum. Hey Lotso, hi. How long did it take you to learn the Quantower platform? Well, you know, it wasn't that difficult because I was trading NinjaTrader before that. So I was pretty fine with it, like in the first day, second day. It wasn't that difficult. It was very simple to go with. To be honest, I got comfortable with it in a few days, like 2 or 3 days. I got absolutely comfortable. Any thoughts on gold? I'm in a short on gold. I think where is it? No, it's not this account. I'm short on gold from 23.84. I'm in a drawdown currently. But this is optimal trade entry level. Let me just switch to MyFundedFutures. And this account is the one. There you go. So this is my trade on gold. Not the best risk to reward, and it's obviously very risky to have a trade on gold under these conditions. But that's my trade right here. Yeah, you're welcome, Enrotable. You're welcome. You are welcome. So just a reminder that my code has been changed on Buleanox. It doesn't have the number 1 right now after the name, so it's only TOMSABO. For the option 2 accounts, it's TOMSABO 2. And that's it. Yeah, that's it. For option 2, you can choose the TOMSABO 2. For the option 1 is just TOMSABO. And unfortunately, my Apex code is not working. But yeah, you're selling? All right. I'm selling too, but this is a high risk sell. It can still reach higher. So it could be one of those days, guys. And I'm still didn't touch my funded accounts yet. Let me go back to... Where is a good sell side liquidity? Where is a good draw on liquidity? Here. It's hard to tell. There are some good levels down at the VWAP. Bearish SMT could be playing out on the 5-minute, maybe on NQ. I mean, look at this. It's not perfect, but you know, this is not an A+ setup because this is not a structure shift. So I don't really like that. This is still a little bit ugly. Oh man. Gotta be honest with you guys. My stomach is hurting. I have to go to the bathroom. I don't know what... Is it because I ate something? Or I don't know. But my stomach is hurting so much. I don't even want to say it. So I have to go to the bathroom, guys. Hopefully, if I'm not back until the market open, good luck. But I'll be here. I just have to go out. I'm sorry. All right, we're back. We're back. How is gold doing? Not too good. Okay, NQ is up there. I'm not feeling good. My stomach is hurting. All right. Not too much to go. For the market open. Be careful, everyone. One minute to go. Da-da-dum dum dum dum. Da-da-dum dum dum dum. Ba-da-dum bum bum bum. 20 seconds almost. $15. Three, two, one. Let's go. I'm gonna go down to the 1 minute. It should be breaking all-time high really soon. Should be breaking that level. Let's see what's happening. It was very close. I think gold is going up, right? Anyway, let's see what's happening here. NQ sweeping some lows, maybe. Not sure. Now it seems like it's going lower on the 5 minute. Coming back up. All right, nothing special. Gold is returning to our entry, which is a good news, actually. But NQ is still just going sideways. It could pop higher. I think so. But what's the high? 71, right? I think it's 71. Not sure though. No, it's not going for it. It's not going for it. Not yet, at least. Good edge lower here at the open. Yeah, sweeping that level. All right. Still not there yet. Are we gonna go lower? Down to I don't know. Maybe down to all the way down to 20s. Not sure about that. ES broke lower. 1 minute is closing soon. I'm watching it closely. Well, it depends. Not usually. I mean, this time maybe. I wanted to see this to sweep the lows and then maybe, you know, go up to the 70s, but it seems like it's just not doing it right now. If it wants to go lower, then I think this is the time. Not really. I mean, the low of this move would be at 31. I don't know. The whole move is a little bit suspicious. I mean, if I would be holding a short, then obviously one of my targets would be down there, where? Somewhere lower. Maybe here at 22-ish area. Still holding this level. This can actually go back up there. But there is some liquidity void down there at... Where is the liquidity void? There should be one down. I can't see it. Anyway. Interesting. Hey, missed something? No, nothing special. I'm waiting for some kind of a logical move. I'm in a gold trade with micros, so I'm just hovering on that one. But on NQ, nothing. You didn't miss anything. Didn't miss anything there. It's going lower. It seems like it. Anyway, I'm following this one, but I have no trade on. Unfortunately, gold doesn't look good on my end. Okay, it could be creating a support, but it didn't sweep the liquidity. Actually, almost went down to that level that we were talking about. Now it could be going back up. Morning, Chao Teng. Very risky, absolutely. I was watching closely, and you know, it's very risky. I only made 50 bucks on a quick scalp on this drop, but I just can't hold it on the funded account. But I don't have the nerves to hold this one. I just don't have it in me. Good morning, Muhammadu. How you doing, Muhammadu? Look at that. We might gonna push back to the highs. Oh, sorry. We might going to push back up there. All-time high is there. Seems like we might going to shift. But there's still nothing. My gold trade is still on. I don't know how. How is it possible that it's still on? Hey, Muhammad. Doing okay. Doing okay. Hope you guys are doing good as well. I'm just watching NQ closely. I have a gold short, but unfortunately that's gonna hit the stop loss. Cool. All right. All right. So my gold short is about to hit the stop loss level. Where is it? I think it's already out. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Yeah, I think it's gonna be out soon. All right, I closed my gold trade manually. I didn't wait for the stop. I closed this manually only on an evaluation account. Maybe it was too early. Maybe it can go down still, but I just closed it. I'm focusing on NQ right now anyways, and this was just not the thing I was looking for on gold. So I closed it. I like these equal highs up there, and I'm still liking these. I'm still like the all-time high. It has decoupled from ES a little bit. Looks like it wants to go higher. You know. Oh, it started raining. That's good. I'm gonna let a little bit of a fresh air through the window. That is good. Look at that. Now it's going up. 55. Can it go higher? 43. A little bit skeptical, but I don't know. How is Bookmap looking? A lot of orders up there in the 60s, 65s. Don't know. Not gonna be my best day, that's for sure. I have no trades on, but yeah, it looks like gold is edging higher. I have no trades on, guys. I wish I could have something here, but there's just nothing. I'm gonna delete this. Okay, NQ is stuck here. It's official. NQ is stuck. But I do like something on the 5-minute. Look at that. Relative equal lows down there. I like that area. I really like it. Waiting for the sell on gold. Yeah, I got stopped out. Actually, I closed it manually before the stop out. When Powell is done. Yeah, but if you really want to push it, I think it's better to wait for Powell. Otherwise, there's not much. Watching closely the 5-minute here. Looking for a possible order block or anything that is tradable. This is actually a bearish order block right now on the 5-minute. But the issue is that we still have all-time high up there. And ES is pushing. So we have a strong chance that this one is going to go. This one's gonna go. There you go. 65. Come on. Just get through the 71 and let's get on with the day. Powell is gonna start talking in a few minutes, like 12 minutes, 10 minutes, 11 minutes, whatever. And let's go through 71. I think that is what the market wants. There you go. There you go. We're finally free from this burden. But remember, I was talking about this level on the 5-minute. That this is the issue that I'm having if I want to go long. Very close to a significant level. It just squeezes everybody and then goes back up there. This was a dirty move. I think this was like a manipulation maybe. But yeah, need to wait for Powell. Definitely need to wait for Powell. All right. Is this a turtle soup? Who knows, right? Maybe a bad soup. Yeah. Marcus. Did Marcus make some gains? Hopefully. Let's go, Marcus. Man. And this is gonna be. Yeah, he did. All right. Did I miss it? Where did he write that? Write that. Oh, I forgot to read that. Why you're long on 6E, close to 50%, still running. I wouldn't be surprised if this would go down again. Don't you need work? What kind of work? I'm trying to I consider this my work, my job, but I'm just waiting for my entry. Depending on what work you need. Be brave. That's what Wida says. I'm full-time here. Chao Tang, I'm full-time here. For everyone, you know. For the stream. Unfortunately, I'm sorry guys, my Apex code just got the Apex code reached the user limit. I mean, what can I say? And I already signed up for a ticket to do something about it. Trade days suck. Oh, sorry to hear that, Chao Tang. Everybody is so positive about trade day. Look at gold. Oh, look at that. There you go. Level broken. Yeah, I'm not gonna touch gold. That's for sure. I am definitely not doing anything with gold at these levels. This is madness. This is, or Sparta, whatever. But I'm not touching gold. Yeah, full-time here, but honestly, I told this many times. I'm not making a living from trading itself. I'm not a profitable trader. Chow Tang. Oh, Dren, your stop loss. You know, always put your stop loss in. So I'm not making money from trading. I mean, constantly. I took payouts from TopStep, but the only way I could be here is because of you guys, because the affiliate coupon codes and everything. Without the affiliate money, I could not afford to be here. That's it. I couldn't afford to be here. So that's how I can do this in full time. But I'm grinding since last year, and I love to do this. I'm here every day, so. For the stream, you know, for the stream. Dran, be careful, Dran. Yeah, that's why I closed my trade. It took so much time for it to, you know, it just went sideways. Then I thought I closed it down, and you know, it's a good thing I did. But that's why I'm just gonna wait. So far today, on the funded accounts, I made $89 plus 40. I made $130. Yeah, huge amount on the funded accounts. So not the best day overall. I like this level down there at NQ, this one, which is at 721-ish area. Powell should start speaking soon. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Okay, I think the draw on liquidity is down there at there. That's the draw on liquidity on NQ. As for ES, I have no idea what it wants to do anymore. But I do like this level. And I would sure like to see it go down there with a displacement or something. No, I'm not a graduate. I'm not a graduate. I'm just not constantly profitable with trading, and I can only make a living because of my YouTube channel. That's what I'm trying to say. So I'm not making money from enough money. I took a few payouts from TopStep, but I cannot do this. I mean, solely from trading, I can't make a living. So I can only afford to make a living because I do this YouTube channel. So this is my full time doing this stream. And for you guys, I'm very grateful because many of you guys are helping me by using the coupon codes. So I can only survive and do this full time because I'm an affiliate to these prop firms. That's it. So there's still a lot to go. A lot to go. Anyway, while we are waiting, please push the like button and subscribe. Hey, Donkiev. Donkiev. Anyway, morning from the US. How you doing? How you doing? Long time no see. I think so. Long time no see. Today was super crazy day. Gold is up there still. Some juicy levels on the downside, the previous day high. I like that. No structure shift. Waiting for NQ to show some sign of possible entry, but so far nothing. Okay. Seems like it's still pushing. Guys, I have some connection issue with Quantower. Seems like with all of the accounts. I'm gonna disconnect Apex. I'm gonna disconnect and reconnect to Buleanox. And same with MyFundedFutures. And maybe the same with Apex. Let's try to go to 56.53. Let's see. Oh yeah, look like it. 53. I mean, yeah, why not? Absolutely. Standard deviation for 2 or something. Does YouTube channel earns enough? No, not really. It's not just from YouTube. For example, last month I made $120 from YouTube. So that's not too much, but the affiliate coupons that you guys are using, that earns me more money. That makes it possible. The affiliate marketing, that's helping me out with a great deal. That's how I can do this. Otherwise, I couldn't do this full time. Power speech is news for Apex funding, or we can trade free. You can trade the speech. You can trade the speech as long as you're not DCAing, and always use a stop loss. You can add to your winners, and you can only add 1 to your stop, but you can technically trade the Powell speech. But don't do like crazy things, like don't deviate too much from your regular trading plans. So for example, if you usually trade 1 mini or 5 micros, whatever, don't try to go all in with 10 minis or whatever, do some stupid things or do micro scalping. You know, try to do your regular risk parameters and you should be fine, and always use a stop loss and don't DCA. So in that case, you will be fine. That will be just fine. I have to open the window again. We can make trading live streaming. Oh, you can't. Oh, that's a restriction, right? You're welcome. You're welcome. So that's a good question, by the way, Lotsa. So Apex didn't say that you cannot trade any news. For example, if you're in a trade already, that's fine. If you open a trade, especially after the like in a speech like this, it's fine. Just use proper risk management and always use stop loss. That's it. Don't DCA. As long as you don't DCA, don't go crazy. If you see that it goes against you, just close the trade and maybe wait for a better entry. But you can add once to your trade. For example, if you entered with 5 micros, just saying an example, you can add another 5 micro there. Or you can add, for example, another 10 micro. But if you add 95 micros, and if you win the trade, I don't know. That's something, you know, that could get under review or something. And you're not gonna get, you know, your account is not gonna get disabled or anything, but you might have to trade for the next payout. Something like that. So it's not like they're gonna take off your head. I know a few guys told me that they got denied for the payout. They continued to trade, so the profits were left there and everything. They just continued to trade for the next payout period, and they applied for a payout again, and they did the minimum trading days, and it was all right. And for the second time, they got approved for a payout. So I don't even know what to think, but it's, you know, obviously you can do that. Okay, Powell most likely started the speech, or should have. Let me check.
Without objection, all members will have 5 legislative days within which to submit extraneous material to the chair for inclusion in the record. I'll note at the outset this hearing has a hard stop at 1 p.m., which we will strictly observe.
Oh my God, it's gonna go for until 1 p.m. Guys, we're doomed.
I'll now recognize myself for 4 minutes for an opening statement.
Opening statement, great. All right, so this is gonna take until 1 p.m. I think nobody wants to trade this. This is so bad, guys. This is, I mean, they're gonna be asking a bunch of questions from Powell. This is gonna take some time. Anyway. Anyway. Don't forget, by the way, guys, MyFundedFutures starter account is $76, 50K account, and the resets are $50. So basically, if you blow the account, you're better off to go and reset the account if you still have a considerable amount of time than, you know, go for a new one. I mean, it's obviously up to you, but $50 for the resets. $50 at MyFundedFutures on the starter account. Don't forget it, and use the code TOMSABO because it gives you the discount. Okay. Waiting and waiting. Going higher. The 800 level is almost here. If you guys want to go for 800, it's almost here. Almost there. All right, what is happening? I don't know. I really can't do anything in this, but I'm gonna wait. I just don't see anything yet that is playable. Guess it's better to wait. It's just better to wait. Watching paint dry, guys. This is just watching paint dry. I actually dig this color scheme. Oh, right. Might steal it. You're welcome. You're welcome to steal it anytime. It's not copyright protected. Go for it. Go for it. Welcome, by the way. How you doing? Good to see you on the stream. You're still long, Marcos. Nice. I don't think anyone is necessarily good at trading all-time highs. Yeah, it's different. I mean, nobody really knows what's gonna happen on these levels. So I agree. I agree. Absolutely. No one knows what's gonna happen. And until we wait, let me do the commercial. I know you guys love when I shill prop firms, but if you would like to help me out to be here full time, obviously I'm still not yet consistently profitable. Only took a few payouts, but working on it. The affiliate codes help me to be here full time. Unfortunately, the Apex code has expired, so I'm sorry about that. I already wrote to support. It might take a few days for them to fix it, but the other ones are working. Buleanox 83% off, Take Profit Trader, no activation fee. Check it out. Same code. MyFundedFutures 76 bucks for starter, and TOPSTEP additional 20%. But if you want to go for Apex, you can still do that. At least give somebody credit, find a streamer, or you can use the code MYTH for Methodical Trader Man, sorry, Methodical Man, MYTH. But don't leave it at Apex if you go for it. Give someone credit. You can check with the daily candle. It will keep going up. Everything that fell was produced discount. Yeah, I was watching the daily charts. So look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days in a row going up and up and up. I mean, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know if we can do 8, 9, 10 statistically, but until Friday we should be having a bearish day, I think. I don't know. Is Powell talking already? Is he saying something? Oh, thank you for dropping by. Trades by Brandon. Have a good one as well. Thanks again for being here. All right, is this a shift? I don't know. Looks like a shift. I'm just scared to take it. I don't really want to jump into a short here. Shorts are not favored nowadays. Let me see. I know I have an Apex account evaluation that could be good for a short. I don't think this one is going to go for a short, but let's see. Can this one go? Maybe. Would love to see this dump all the way to 724-ish. The drawn liquidity, I think, is down there. I took a short on micro Nasdaq with 3 micros. Very bad entry. I'm gonna lower my stop as soon as I see some structure forming, and I'm targeting the lows. Where is Here it is. So it's a horrible entry, I know. It was kind of an aggressive entry. But for now, I'm going to hold this. And we'll see if it wants to go lower or not. Could go higher. Targeting 800. We're fading each other, Gizno. Come on. No. That's not good. Why? I want to win. At least once this day. That would be so awesome. I'm having a bad day in trading right now. I'm just looking for a small win, that's all. But yeah, obviously we were very close to 800. We can still go back. There's no stopping on this one. Let me check the 5-minute. Yeah, this could be an order block bullish. Here. So we're inside of a bullish order block. Yeah, we'll see. I'm gonna actually lower my stop as soon as it starts moving in my direction to the recent swing high, but I'm not that confident right now. I have to wait for this candle to close, more likely. Actually, I can lower my stop now too. Yeah, I'm gonna lower it down there because if it trades up here, it's most likely gonna go higher. And if it does, just don't want to participate in it. Now my target for this move would be 27.25. 27.25, as you can see. If it goes there, it goes there. If not, I'm just gonna eat it. Gold is falling. Not that strong. So I don't trust it. NQ going down too. A little bit, not too much. Not that strong. I think we have a sell side liquidity level down there on gold. So I'm just gonna wait. And see what goes on here. Maybe I'm gonna take a short on gold too. Somewhere around there. Stop should be up there. Good. Here. This would be fine. It's going. 730 is breached bearish trend target. 691 could be. Could be. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. Still in it. Uh-oh. Going back. Waiting for gold. I have to prepare for gold short. Gold short coming from 88.5 with 3. 88.5. Okay, that's gonna be my short position. Oh no, look at that. It's going back up again. Why is it so hard for NQ to drop? Perfect rejection on the VWAP. It's gonna take me out. It's very close to my stop. Oh man. I really don't understand this situation. I'm considering to close it manually because I think it's just one more spike and goes above at 80s. Very hard to read. And it could be because of, you know, these hearings. I don't really want to move my stop. I'm still dancing in this trade, but I really don't like it, the way it looks. Yeah, gold is leaving the building without me. 82.75. You think so? I can move it a little bit. 82.50, I moved it a little bit. Still better than it was. I moved it to 83. I moved my stop back to 8. The risk to reward is still alright on this one. As long as I'm trying to target the 1 to 2 R, it's fine. So, yeah. Gold still there. Not going for my entry. Still in the NQ position. Good observation. Yeah. Yeah, there's a small fair value gap, so obviously there's some more space for it to go here, but if it goes above my stop, then it's more than likely that it wants to break higher, which it can do. But I'm gonna stay away from that stop loss that high. Hey, when Powell speaks, I always lose. Oh yeah, he's not even speaking yet, or is he? They're just asking questions. Oh, he was speaking. All right. Oh, he's speaking. Oh my God. All right. Okay. That's not good. How is gold? Gold could be dropping. I don't like Nasdaq here. I think it still wants to go higher. I don't know what Powell is talking about, but that is something I just I don't really like. I think there's a little bit more manipulation during these hours than usually. So considering to close my trade, but anyway, it's not too much. I'm gonna lose like 70 bucks or 80 at max, so that's all right. I was hoping for gold for a nice retest of that area up there. Sorry. I like this level down there, 721. But I feel a dirty move coming. Squeeze everybody out and then go low. Not really a huge fan of that. Still in the trade. Yeah, I don't like it. Nothing. Nothing, nothing. Dum da dum. Dum da dum. Dum da dum. Look at this, it's just going sideways. What is happening? Yeah, 30 minute. Let's see the 30 minute. Let's check the 30-minute chart. Whoa, huge indecision. Look at that. Okay, I haven't even checked the 30-minute, but yeah. That's the level I'm looking down there. And you're looking up there. Interesting. Boom. Marcos, come on. Let's go. I'm hoping that we will go down. I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna hold this one as much as I can. Maybe I'm gonna close like 2 micros if it starts to consolidate down there. But I'm gonna wait. Go, go, 691. Oh yeah, you're looking for that. level. I will be perfectly happy with 27.25. That would be my absolutely great exit. I think I still have an entry here on gold. I'm gonna delete my entry. Oh no, it's coming back. Let's look at gold. I'm curious if this one's gonna go gonna close lower or not. Because this level at previous day high could be a very good support. You got out 672. 672. You mean you got in at 654 yesterday. You mean 754, right? 754. Because that was a nice trade then. That's a nice trade. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's playing too much. But at least you made profit. You know, that's all that matters. At least you made some good profits. GG, that's good. GG. That's a nice. You want 800? I wanted to. But first I want 727.25. That's what I want first. Okay, I'm gonna cheat a little bit. I'm gonna modify my stop with 1 tick. You know, that's my thing. I modified it to 27.50. That's it. Final modification. Ooh, what is happening? Uh-oh. I don't like this. Powell is saying something. What is he saying? Okay, nobody cares. Had one running. Yeah. Look at that. It could be back to the race here to the upside, but haven't checked gold. It's just waterfall. Just waterfalling down. Just going down. Should have taken a short here. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, right? Anyway, this level I like at 27. I do think that's a good level. The level that Nasdaq will break is important. If it breaks, we will see up to 691. Yeah. Break 758. Yeah. Yeah, if it breaks that level or it trades through it, like I would say closes above 63, then yeah, we could see that level up there again. I don't really favor that scenario. Okay, what I want to do here is I might going to lower my my stop here, because if it trades above this level, then obviously it's going higher, and I don't want to be in a trade, to participate in a trade like that. So I'm just lowering my stop there. You're out. Yeah, I don't like this one as well. I should be out too. Reprice this small gap here. Last line of defense. If it goes through, it's most likely going for my level up there. Back to. Yeah, me neither. It's just, I don't know, but I just, as you said it right, I don't see it either right now. I just don't see this one happening. It feels like it's gonna sit on the VWAP and it's gonna find support and push once more. It's already pushing. Just can't get through. Yeah, it's not happening. No, it's not happening. It's a small stop that I have, so I don't mind it. Look at gold. Equal lows down there. Could be going, yeah, look at that. Gold was the mover back to the order block and below. Interesting. Wow. It's tanking. Gold is just tanking down. You're selling again. All right. All right, all right. I'm still holding this. Let's see how long it goes, or how short. I do like that level down there. So this here, this fair value gap actually created a nice level of resistance for now. Also an inversion gap. Not too perfect, but you know. The 1 minute is usually not that strong on these. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dude, I should have taken some partial. I'm gonna take a partial. Okay, I took partial. I closed 2 micros because it's just Powell, you know, guys. I'm putting it to break even. There. Put it to break even, so this is a free trade now. But at least I took some partials on this. Go, 691, let's go. You know, if it trades above this swing, I would exit anyways, because if it goes to my stop, then it's a high probability that it's gonna go higher. So I think in this case, my stop loss is at the right point, especially that I have took some partial down there. So I'm fine with this. I made my peace with this trade. As for gold, well, I didn't make my peace with gold yet. Still don't know what to do. Stop is 57, your stop. Oh, you have a tighter stop. Okay. Yeah. Well, that's true, because if it goes back to your stop, then you know, we don't want to see it go back there because it's finished. It's finished here. If it wants to, if this is the draw on liquidity, then obviously it has no business to trade up there. It has nothing to do here. And it should continue lower. It has no business to go up there. If it goes up there, of course it can, but then this was not the trade. That's it. But if this is the trade, I don't want to see it go above. At your level, your stop loss at 57 is reasonable. Actually, I'm actually going to lower my stop here. I lowered my stop. Actually, I'm going to lower my stop here now. 57. Myself too. It has no business to go up there. DJ, hey. What if today ranging, waiting for the CPI? Well, it could be ranging. The only level I was eyeballing at throughout the day was eventually here, this one, on the 5 minutes. Sorry, just a second, sorry. So if you go to the 1 minute, I was watching this swing low since the London session. And then we got down here, didn't take it out. And I thought that maybe, just maybe, you know, wants to go down and take it out once more. So that was the only play I saw. And that's why I anticipated that, you know, maybe sooner or later it can go down there. But anyway. Yeah, it was a late entry, to be honest. I should have entered up there at 73, so I missed my entry by at least 6 or 7 points, the minimum. So should have entered higher at 73. But at least I'm in. Okay, still dancing there. Could be spiking up. Watching gold too. We take what the market gives us, right? No complaints. We take what the market gives us. Sorry. Holding the 5 minute inversion gap. Yeah, hopefully TJ. We'll see what happens. No trade on gold right now. No active trade, Dren. It was such a strong move down right now. I didn't have any entry on the 5 minute. I wanted to go short up here, but didn't go back up there to fill me in. And you know, other than that, nothing so far. I still think this is a juicy level at 2378.3, but I'm not sure. I burned myself today with gold, and I don't want to play with fire. I don't want to play with the fire anymore. Oh, looks like it's going for it. It's going for it. Anyway, guys, we continue to thrive. Buleanox is back to 83%. The code changed slightly. From you don't have to use the number 1 for TOMSABO, just TOMSABO for the best discount at Buleanox. So only TOMSABO from today. Oh, look at that, almost out from this trade. I think it's gonna go up. 83% off, but check out MyFundedFutures too, $76, including activation fee for the new starter. And unfortunately, the Apex code is expired on my end. And that's it. I'm out from this short. This is Powell speaking. Hey, József. Powell beszél. Igen. Powell is speaking. Powell is speaking. So today there's gonna be a slaughterhouse again. We have to protect. Exactly. At least I made a small profit on this. Yeah. Small profit is good profit anytime. You know what they say. Small profit is profit. Obviously today is difficult because of the testimony. So it's a difficult day. Even the book map is all over the place. And look at that. Won't you look at that? Took me out there and then goes down. I don't mind. It's fine. It's fine. It's perfectly okay. It's perfectly fine. But it should go down, I think, eventually. Or not. Final level is down on my end, but I could be wrong on this one. Especially when Powell is talking, you know. You can never know. Can go straight up from here if it wants to. Those equal lows were tempting on the downside, to be honest, but very complicated level. Yeah, it is. It is complicated. I agree. It is. Is it gonna go lower? Who knows? I think it's holding this level. It's pretty much holding this level. Doesn't really want to go down. It might bounce soon. Might gonna bounce soon. Complicated day. Look at the price. It's my entry zone. Looking for long. Looking for long. All right, let's go. Should be going through maybe this level. You know, just wick down, take out these levels, and then maybe go higher again. But I don't know. Look at that. Now it went short. I mean, sorry, went lower. I just can't tell. And look at that again. It's unbelievably unpredictable. You know, at scenarios like this, I should just lock out myself somehow from the charts. But yeah, it pretty much goes down right now. It looks like it. Midnight open. Yeah, could be. Could be. You know, that's a decent level. Not sure if it wants to break it, but it could eventually. I think many people wants to push it higher right now. I don't know what Bookmap is showing, or is it anything down there? I haven't checked it yet, but let me check it real quick. There are some orders, but final level to be repriced on the 1 minute, and now it can go higher. Careful. And it's going up. Not sure for how long, but it's going. Reprice the gap. On the 1 minute, I'm saying. If it wants to take out that level, this might be the time to do so. I'm not sure. It's very close. No, I'm not gonna scalp it. I just made like 90 bucks today. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna scalp it. I just can't. I don't have the nerves for it. But it should be taking out this level down here, which is 21. You're short 33. Nice. Let's go. Let's go. Is it gonna go for it? I don't know. Let's go, Marcos. Let's go, Marcos. Come on. There you go, finally. Let's face it, it was a little bit hard, but finally we got to that level. And you know, even though I didn't really make money on this one, but I'm glad that this level that we were talking so much. Oh yeah, you're going for a 6, but still, this level, the 721, we were talking about this so much during the day. I'm glad that eventually these levels played out as much as we could. So let's go 691 for Marcos. Come on, market. Let's go market for Marcos. There is more liquidity. There should be. Let's go. Come on, Marcos. Let's go. I hope you're protecting your profits there. Go, go, go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, look at that. It's only now. Oh. Back. No problem, Marcos. It's still fine. Still fine. I'm gonna put a line there. 91. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do it. Are we gonna go or not? I'm scared to jump in here, guys. This is not my level right now. So it already reached my level, so I'm comfortable sitting this one out. Actually, I have to check if I have orders. No orders, all right. What a day. What's the time, by the way? Oh, the kill zone is over officially. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna help you, Marcos. Look at that. That's all the help I can do. Here. That's it. That's it. And one more thing, I can actually help you out, Marcos. I can help you to a little bit ease up, you know, less stressful. Oh no. Oh no, this is not funny anymore. This spike is not funny anymore. Maybe it's because it's pointing to the wrong direction. I don't know. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna check on gold real quick. Nothing there. On the 5 minute, it wigged out pretty good on the downside. So Anyways, it's pretty much stuck here right now. A little more. Someone bought 600 contracts. Wow. I think he's gonna get squeezed because Marcus is short. So Marcus is going for that 600 connies. Yeah, a little bit better, but not gonna lie, I'm a little bit. My stomach is still not too perfect. Anyways, guys, I think I am going to cut the stream here. I'd like to stay as much as like forever, but I have some stuff to do. My stomach is not feeling well. I was thinking that maybe, just maybe, I come back for the power hour a little bit, you know, scalp a little bit in the power hour. Just, you know, thinking. It's gonna be a completely different thing, different session, different everything. Scalping on an evaluation account on power hour. Maybe we'll do that. I don't know. But guys, Marcus, a little bit bigger magnet. There you go. That's all I can do. Bigger magnet. Let's go. And so thank you so much for being here with me. I'll be back at least in London morning. Sorry about the Apex code. It's not working because it expired. User limit reached. So hopefully it will come back. But anyway, if you would like to support the channel, the BULENOX code changed to TOMSABO, so no more 1 at the end, so just TOMSABO. 83% off, which is a good deal on the option 1 accounts. Take Profit Trader, 40% off, no activation fee, so check them out too. TOPSTEP, additional 20% if you register for a new account. And the best one, I think, is MyFundedFutures, $76 for a starter account, no activation fee. And $50 resets, so check it out. Thank you so much, everybody. You guys are great. I love you all. Thank you for all the support, and see you guys at least in London session at latest tomorrow, but maybe there's a 10% chance that I come back for a power hour, but that's it. Thank you again. See you guys soon. Take care. Be safe. We made profits today. Exactly. See you guys. I love you too. Everybody. All right. See you. See you later. Servus. See you later. Hi, everyone.